Oppo launched its new A series phone in India called Oppo A3 Pro, and it is completely different from the Chinese version that was launched back in April this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A3 Pro features a tall 6.67-inch display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A3 Pro sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual eSIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.8 by 76.1 by 7.7mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A3 Pro has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Moonlight Purple and Starry Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A3 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.